Friends, I remember when I started my career as a trainee in one of the manufacturing field, and I had posted in shipping department. That point of time I didn't know what is shipping. When I started working, then I realized that shipping is a very vast field, and actually it was not shipping, it was the just name, because they were dispatching cargo from their factory to the various destination, so that's why they were terming it as a shipping. And I started working, gaining my knowledge and experience, and I came to know I was working in the field of logistics, because logistics is playing a very vital role in entire exim cycle and supply chain management. But while working, I realized that people are saying as a transport, means they were not knowing what is logistics, and they were terming logistics as a transport. And steady and slowly the logistics has gained the momentum, and government is also trying to give industry status to logistics. There is no any ministry working, it's a full-time ministry working for logistics, but now government has appointed a special secretary for logistics, and in coming years definitely logistics will have its independent ministry and its status as an industry. Actually, I have done my doctorate in logistics management, and I have research in the field of multimodalism and logistics. So I am a logistician as a professional, and I am a academician by heart, because I am a non-academic doctorate working in the field of logistics in so many years, since more than 25 years, and I have gained a doctorate degree, so it is like academics. So during working experience of mine, more than 25 years, I realized that there is a lack of proper and qualified manpower, and that's why I have decided to launch our academy, and we are going to launch our academy, Samaveda Academy, which will be working in the field of skill development, in the field of logistics for skill development. So we will be creating manpower which are required in the field of logistics, supply chain management and port management. So friends, we will be in need of your support, your blessings and your all wishes to be successful in this field of academy, and we hope we'll be fulfilling your all the expectation in coming months and years, and we will be a very good support system as we had proved ourselves in these 6 years. So thank you very much.